Hi everyone, welcome to Lucy in the Kitchen. Today I will be making the most juicy and tender Puerto Rican style stewed pork chops. I am making a very simple sofrito by mixing together 1 tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil with 4 garlic cloves, 4 or 5 mini sweet peppers, make sure they are the sweet kind, and 5 or 6 culantro leaves, and that's it for the sofrito. At this point, I'm going to start preheating the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using an oven-safe pan for this recipe. You can also use a Dutch oven as well. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, whichever you have on hand. In the oil, I will brown both sides of the pork chops. Season the pork chops as you usually do. I season mine with a little salt, ground black pepper, and oregano. The pork chops don't necessarily have to be completely cooked inside at this point. Once they are brown on both sides, remove them from the oil. Now in an empty pan, I will saute 1 sliced large onion. I will cover the onion until it's tender for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1/2 of a diced bell pepper. It can be yellow, red, or orange. After the bell pepper, I will add the 1/4 cup of the sofrito which I previously made. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary. You can use the fresh kind if you have it on hand. I am also adding about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm adding at this point 2 cups of broth, and I'm using beef broth, but you can use chicken or pork as well. I have listed all of the ingredients for this recipe in the description area below this video. For this recipe you can use as many potatoes you like. I'm adding 2 large sliced potatoes. I'm adding 1 additional cup of water, and then I'm placing back the pork chops into the pan. And I'm making sure the pork chops are completely covered with the broth. Turn off the stove, cover the pan, and place it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. These pork chops comes really juicy and tender. I am serving my pork chops with mashed sweet potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video and you come back to see me again by subscribing to my channel. I see you soon. Bye bye.